how to delete Instagram account on iPhone. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Instagram application and it will lead you to your homepage, right? Now, the next thing that you want to do is on the bottom part, you'll see 5 different options. Tap on your profile icon there. And here on the upper right, you'll see the burger icon or the menu icon. Tap on that and go to settings. Now, under settings, what you want to do next is to look for account here. You'll see account. Tap on account and then scroll down up until you see delete account. If you tap on this, you will be given two options. It's either to deactivate your account or to delete your account. Since we want to delete our Instagram account, tap on delete account and tap on continue delete account, and it will redirect you to the instagram.com community there, and they will ask you why you want to delete your account, and you have to look for your options there and then tap on too many ads there, and then you have to re-enter your password just to confirm that you are the owner of that account, and then tap on delete account or delete your account here. And basically that is how you delete Instagram on iPhone. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.